Now I'll show you the unboxing of J70.
Next, let's invite our friends to help open this box together.
This is the standard 35-liter medicine cabinet of the J70.
The blade unfolded length is 56 inches, with a maximum pulling force of 53 kilograms. This parameter is also at the leading level in the industry.
Let's take a look at the sprayer. This year's standard is 2 mist spray nozzle. This year's fog sprinkler highlights. Our mixing particle size adjustable range is 10300 microns. Supports in-flight parameter adjustment. If you want to spray the fruit trees, find Eavision, which can be beaten evenly and thoroughly.
The small cap on the top is an active phased array radar. This little square at the bottom is equipped with 2 laser sub-eye radars. The imitation angle has reached 90 degrees, which supports 180-degree limit escape. The bottom is equipped with an FPV system. The rear is equipped with a 360-degree radar. It can achieve 90 degrees anti-ground. What other information do you want to know about J70?
Feel free to contact us.